Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to create a website backup from cPanel. Let's log in into my hosting account. After that, here you can see these are the hosting packages that I have purchased. Now let's log in into the cPanel. On the left side here you can see, just click here, and after that, so this is cPanel interface. Scroll down and search for backups. Here you can see these are various sections. Just we can find out backup, and after that let's see how it works. Here you can see backup wizard. Just click here, and after that click on backup, then click on full backup. After that, here you can see select home directory. After that, these are various other options. At this time we can select this one, home directory. After that, here you can add your email address, then click on generate backup. Here you can see the backup is started and in progress. After that, when the backup will be completed, then we will get a notification in our email address. Here you can see website backup has been created, and now just click here. Here you can see backup file has been started downloading. Let's click here in downloads, and its size is 3.7 GB. So once it will be completed, you will have a backup in your laptop. If you want to restore website backup, how you can do that? Just go back, and after that let's check how it works. Click here cPanel. After that again we can search for backup wizard. After that, here you can see restore options. Just click here, and here you can see these are the options: home directory, MySQL databases, and emails. Let's click on the restore. After that, click here home directory. Now here you can select your backup file. After that, it will be uploaded. In the same way you can upload other files. Click on MySQL databases and email forwarders. Here you can see the third option. So upload these files step by step.